In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jasper AI Writer. By the end, you'll know how to open Jasper, ask it for exactly what you want, and generate a polished draft in seconds. First, open your browser and go to the Jasper web app. That will land you on the home area, which is your starting point for creating content. If you've been clicking around and don't see the main dashboard, no worries. Just look to the left sidebar and click Home to center yourself. The home view puts the most useful tools right in front of you. Next, find the Ask Jasper Anything area and click it. This is Jasper's conversational workspace, where you can give straightforward instructions and get high-quality text back. Think of it as your command line for writing. Now, type your prompt. Clear prompts get the best results, so include the format you want, the audience, the tone, and any must-include details. For example, instead of a vague, write something about nutrition. Be direct about what you need. Let's use the example from this guide. Type, write a blog post about healthy eating tips. To help Jasper nail the output, you can add a bit more context right in the same line, like the target audience or the tone, professional, friendly, or beginner friendly, without changing the basic instruction. When you're happy with the prompt, click Send, or simply press Enter. Jasper will think for a moment and then return a draft or a set of options. Stay patient while it generates. Longer prompts can take a few extra seconds. When you see a result you like, choose it by clicking Use. This confirms the direction you want to take. Then click Generate Now to produce the full piece based on that selection. Jasper will expand the idea into a complete blog post using the guidance you provided. As the draft appears, read it with your goals in mind. Check the headline, the flow of the sections, and whether the tips feel practical for your audience. If a sentence feels off, adjust your original prompt and run, generate again to quickly iterate. Small clarifications like emphasizing actionable steps or a friendly tone go a long way. And that's it. You went to Jasper's home, opened Ask Jasper Anything, typed a clear prompt, sent it, selected a result, and generated a full article. Follow these same steps for product descriptions, emails, or social captions just by changing your prompt.